and if you don't have those, you're not gonna be able to do this. You're watching the install video. Here for the Sprout jersey. Here we go. There it is. So it is now clean. You can put a finger in there. All right, here we go. Gotta cut it. He doesn't want to cut his own car, so he told me I gotta do it. Yes. Look who decided to come over. Get the Sprout green shirt on. About to wake up the whole god dang neighborhood. See how loud that shit is. I gotta plug my ear. That shit about to be loud as hell. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at them fat boys. But yeah, another one over there. Yeah.
50 pounds exactly.
Really?
With the, like, with everything, yeah, 50 pounds.
Yeah, look at that meat. Oh, yes, sir. They're 305 or 315?
275s.
Oh, they're smaller than what I thought. Oh, okay. And then you got new lug nuts right here, and then he's got the sway bar kit for because when you run fatter tires on the S197, you got to put a sway bar kit. My camera doesn't want to focus on this, so there we go. There you go. That's how they look. Meaty boys. Get the front. Oh yeah, and then he's got the front skinnies up front. Look at that.
Front skinnies.
You're watching the install video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video, we're going to be working on his 5.0 that he has. You know, you already know him. Well, essentially what we're going to be doing is he's got a drag pack for the back, and his end links are way too close to his wheels. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, you got the car up in the air. Now let's check this out. So this is what's hitting his wheels right here. This is what's hitting it and not allowing it to run good. Take that beach off, and then there we go. So now it frees us up and we can start taking off the suspension and then the bottom plate that's on that little thingy right there. And just take it off like that. Bloop. And then this thing could have come down, huh? Like that. Perfect. Cutting off that part right there.
Yeah, where this is.
Yeah, you cut it. Okay, so then the bolt just moves up. Wait, is that what touches the wheel? I thought it was the sway bar that touches this right here that touches the wheel.
I have a picture.
Yeah, I could have sworn that was the.
Let me see.
The part touching it.
Yeah, see where that little speck of white is? That's where it's hitting.
So it's the bracket right here that's hitting that.
That little small piece.
Oh yeah, so that that little thing.
That bottom, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So that's not that much to cut off. Then. So this plate right here that we have, it just slides right up in there, and then it basically, you see. Oh, let me get on the side. So it basically gives you free room so you can cut that lower edge that's hitting the wheel. Vlog update. Alright guys, so we got it all in. This thing is honestly a piece of shit, and if you don't have a lot of tools in your garage, you're not gonna be able to do this install. Do not listen. What was it on the reviews? They said that it was like easy as shit.
Yeah, about like 30 minutes.
Yeah, no, it is not gonna give you. It's gonna be way longer than 30 minutes. Just you need way more tools, and if you don't have those, you're not gonna be able to do this. I don't know if you guys can see anything. No, there you go. Oh no. That bitch is close.
Yeah, see right there?
Yeah.
That's why.
That's still close, but let me see this right here. Yes! Them bitches gonna be fat. Alright, here we go. Gotta cut it. He doesn't want to cut his own car, so he told me I gotta do it. Scary?
Dirty ass, man.
Alright. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Cool. She clears, boys. Here we go. There it is. So it is now clean. You can just put a finger in there, but yeah, I had to grind out a lot. So now he's just loading them up. And me get up and show this bad boy. Look at that. Got his drag pack on. Look at that. The fat. He's putting on the fronts right now. The skinnies. One's that right there. But look at the back. That came out clean. There was a lot of grinding work we had to do on the tires. So it took us a little bit, but we had to grind like probably had to grind like an inch or two. But definitely not a 30-minute install that they say online. Look at this. Holy crap, how skinny those are.
There's no way I can run skinnies every day.
Bro, look at now it's all washed up, his little drag packy going on. Oh, hey, here it is. See it going. Alright guys, well that is a quick little install. That's all that I'm going to do for this video. It's just me putting on the drag pack and just helping him out with back suspension. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.